This is exercise 3A and the topic is the percentages 1 and we are working with D1 and this is updated 7th edition and we will be talking about question number 13 and exercise is the same one 3A. What question says, this is all about a monthly salary. I'm going to read the question. I did not write it on the page. You'll read it yourself. All the students will read the question thoroughly and you'll pick and choose the given amount from the question and then you'll check what to be calculated from the given question. The question says Asen's monthly salary is Pakistani rupees 18,500. So it is mentioned his monthly income is like monthly income is this one PKR Pakistani rupees and his room rent is 20.5% of his monthly income. So what we are going to do it, we simply replace this percentage with the 100 in the denominator. Then we did the simplification with calculator, even you can use your calculator. So 20.5% of 18,500 comes. So I did it with calculator, it comes 3,792.5 rupees. So this was the room rent. This was all room rent. This one. So the percentages is converted into the amount. Now his expense on food is this one. His other expenses are this one, and the total for the total expenses you will add 3,792.5 means you will calculate all the expenses he did for 1 month. So when we add all these expenses we come up with almost 20,000. You will add up all these values, all these expenses. So this comes 20,092.5. So it is giving you 20,092.5 rupees, as it is very much clear from the number his expenses are little bit more than his salary, means he overspent. So how much amount he overspent, we will calculate that first. Like his expenses are 20,092.5 and his income is 18,500. So like when you check the overspent amount, it comes 18,500 will be subtracted and 20,092 rupees minus 18,500. So the overspent amount comes this would be his overspent amount and it is coming 1,592.5. This is the amount he overspent, 1,500, almost 1,600 more than the salary. And what we have to calculate, till the time we just calculated his expenses and overspent amount. This is the overspent amount. The what we have to calculate, actually we have to calculate the overspent amount as a percentage of his monthly income. So whatever is the overspent amount, you will divide it with the salary of that particular month and multiply it with 100%. Then your answer comes 8.608%. We'll use calculator here. So almost 8% he overspent than the income. Now I'm going to explain it a little bit in Urdu as well. Over here, as a salary given here, 18,500 rupees Pakistani rupees. His room rent is 20.5% of the salary. We calculated the amount, percentage was given, तो हमने इसकी amount calculate कर ली कि room rent कितना बनता है. उसके बाद हमने expense लिखा, food पे other expenses लिखे, total expense आ गया 20,092.5 rupees. अच्छा, this is obviously more than this 18,500. मीन आपकी सैलरी कम है और आपके एक्सपेंस ज़्यादा है, मीन्स यू ओवर स्पेंड द अमाउंट. तो ओवर स्पेंड कितनी अमाउंट की हुई है? 1592.5. दिस इज़ द ओवर स्पेंड अमाउंट. हमने कैलकुलेट क्या करना है? द ओवर स्पेंड अमाउंट को परसेंटेज में शो करना है, उसकी सैलरी की कितने परसेंट उसने ओवर स्पेंड की. तो ओवर स्पेंड को यू रोट इन द न्यूमरेटर this overspent amount, then this his salary original value, salary से डिवाइड किया, सैलरी से उसकी परसेंटेज लेनी और मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया विद 100%. अब आप इसको मैनुअली भी कर सकते हो और यू कैन यूज द कैलकुलेटर एज वेल. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. I'll be talking about question number 14 as well. That would be the last question of this exercise. What question number 14 says, this is the same topic, and question number 14 is about a book and the number of books pages which are read on particular days. Like, you read the question yourself. I'll be writing the question, statement only, the given statement. What given statement says, this is question number 14. In a book, there are 600 total pages. On Friday, Rizwan reads 150 pages of that book or novel on Friday. So it is all given. Total pages are, we will mention total pages. Total pages are 600 pages. And read on Friday, Rizwan read few pages on Friday. How many pages read on Friday? 150 pages. It is all given. You will mention the given data accordingly. Then, and 40% of the remaining. First you will calculate remaining pages. How many pages are left to be read yet? Those will be 600 minus 150. It comes 450 pages remains to be read. Then after that, 40% of the remaining pages on Sunday. So pages read on Sunday will be, pages read on Sunday will be 40% of the remaining pages. So remaining pages are 450. So from here आप उनका number calculate करोगे. This is the percentage given. You will calculate the number and it comes, you will simplify it. It comes 180 pages he read on Sunday. After that, now how many remaining pages left after Sunday? How many remaining pages are left? The left pages will be now the remaining pages will be after Sunday will be after Sunday he has read 180 pages more. So after Friday we were left with 450 pages, and on Sunday out of 450 he read 180, and you're left with 270 pages to be read. What you have to calculate over here, you have to calculate number of pages that remain to be read. These are the number of pages remain to be read or as a percentage of the total number, percentage of the remaining. So you have to calculate, you'll write it thoroughly. The required data will be to find. So what to find out here, you have to calculate, express the number of remaining pages, the remaining pages that to be read, or the left pages to be read, to be read to the as a percentage of total pages. So it would be, it is the requirement of the question. This is to find out. So the remaining pages are 270. We have to express it as a percentage of the total pages. तो total pages की percentage में हमें express करना है इसको. We'll multiply it with 100 and you'll come with 45 pages. 45% of the pages remain to be read yet. So this was all about question number 14. There is a novel in which 600 pages were there. On Friday Rizwan read 150 pages of them. So remaining pages आपके पास बन के 450 का संडे को उसने 40% पढ़ा. कितने पेजेस पढ़े संडे को? 180. उसके बाद आपके पास रिमेनिंग पेजेस आ गए. 450 में से 180 को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, 270 पेजेस आ गए. अब ये जो 270 पेजेस हैं ये अभी रीड करने वाले हैं. तो इनके इस क्वेश्चन के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट ये है कि आपने एक्सप्रेस करना है रिमेनिंग पेजेस को जो पढ़ने वाले हैं एज ए परसेंटेज ऑफ द टोटल पेजेस. तो आपने 270 को जो रिमेनिंग पेजेस हैं आपने किससे परसेंटेज लेना है? टोटल पेजेस के साथ. एंड द टोटल पेजेस यहाँ पे कितने हैं? 600, और उनकी परसेंटेज लेनी है. एंड वेन एवर यू हैव टू टेक द परसेंटेज आपने इसको 100% से मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. या मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम स्टूडेंट सेज कि आप इसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो दिस वॉज your percentage count. 45% is still remain to be read. So this was all about question number 14.